What's up YouTube, this is Manuel and welcome to another video of Lifestyles and Sneakers. Today, as you've seen in our thumbnail, we will be featuring one of the most anticipated Yeezy Boost 350 V2s for 2019. So stick around. If you're new here to the channel, Lifestyles and Sneakers is all about sneakers, fitness, and soon travel and food. Let me also give you a reason why you should be subscribing now. Number 1, we feature most of the dopest sneakers available. Number 2, we visit all of the coolest sneaker shops and outlets. And number 3, we give away a lot of fantastic sneakers such as these. And if you stick around and watch through this video, I'll be announcing a very special giveaway exclusive for all our subscribers. So what are you waiting for? So now let's move on and open this box. 1, 2, 3, bam! Here it is, the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in black colorway. So let's have a closer look. On the upper, you have your typical Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Primeknit stitched in the middle. As I mentioned earlier, the Primeknit is mixed with black and gray color that gives it a charcoal look. And then on the pull tab over here, you have this black pull tab with the red stitching, paying homage to the Pirate Blacks that they originally released about more than 2 years ago. Then you have the 3M reflective laces over here. So moving down the sneakers, you will see the typical Yeezy Boost 350 V2 rib midsole in semi-translucent. I'm not sure if you can see also, but actually it's a semi-translucent where you can see the Boost inside. And then on the bottom of the shoe, you have your regular Yeezy Boost 350 V2 outsole. Of course, you see this exposed Boost over here and a little bit over here. So now, is this sneaker worth it? The retail price of these sneakers is actually at $222, similar to the rest of the other regular 350 V2s. However, the resale price of these sneakers is going up to $400 to $500 US, and I believe it will also go higher even soon. But there's a lot of question marks because from what I've read recently, Adidas is dropping about 200,000 pairs of these sneakers worldwide. So this is slightly higher than their regular release, which is over, I think, 120,000. Normally, like for the glows, they release about 120,000. But this one, I'm not sure how credible my source is, but what I've read is that, yes, it is about 200,000 pairs. And I'm actually quite happy because the reflective version of these sneakers, which is the black reflective, the Adidas is releasing about 10,000 pairs. So if you compare it with the original static reflective, they only release about 5,000 pairs, and they only released exclusively at Yeezy Supply. However, the black reflective, they're releasing about 10,000 pairs, and they also pick some of the retail shops that will sell them. So there's more chances for us to get the pair of the reflective version. Guys, I'm so excited to wear this on feet and show to you guys how it looks. So let's jump right into it. So did you guys like how it looked on feet? Definitely for me, this is one of the best Yeezy 350 V2s that Yeezy have ever made. I'm not really a fan of all black sneakers, but this one is really fire. As I mentioned earlier, Adidas is releasing quite a few pairs of these sneakers. It's still quite limited, however, they release a little bit more than they used to. So good luck to you guys, whoever wants to cop this pair. Now I think it's time to announce our very, very, very special giveaway. So guys, what do you think? What are we giving away? These? No, this one is definitely for me. However, if you really want this pair, we can give it away. Just write your shoe size down below together with your IG handle and you will have a chance to win one of these bad boys. Yes, I said the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 Black. We are giving away these sneakers. However, of course, there's a catch. We're not gonna just simply give this away. You must first help us reach 10,000 subscribers by June 15. Basically, that is next Saturday. Not this coming Saturday, but the next upcoming Saturday. By 11:59 in the evening, we should reach 10,000 subscribers. And number two, you need to help us reach 100,000 minutes of watch time by the end of June 15 as well. Number three, of course, you have to follow us on all our social media. And of course, be a subscriber in this channel. Now, you might be thinking that's quite impossible. Actually, it's not. We reached to over 7,000 subscribers in a span of 2 days. We're only asking for over 2,500 subscribers in more than a week. And then the 100,000 minutes of watch time, actually, that's very, very easy. We have almost about 500 plus minutes of videos in our channel. So if 200 of you guys watch every single one of our videos, we can easily reach that 100k minutes of watch time. So guys, if you watch our videos from beginning to the end, easily we can achieve that goal and we can give away these on your shoe size. So guys, it depends on you how badly you want to have this kind of pair. So just help us reach that goals and definitely we'll give to one of you guys these bad boys in your shoe size. So are you guys excited? I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Until next time.